How can I reattract my ex after a breakup? What are the solutions to make my ex sees my value and want me back in his or her life? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment. I really wanted to do this video because it's a good mindset. When you come to me and say, hey Alex, I want my ex back. Most of the time we are begging, we are needy, we are available, and then we have zero results. So it's all bad. But when you come to me and you say, hey Alex, I really want to reattract my ex. I really want to be with my ex again. That is the right mindset because we are looking at a new page. So instead of focusing on the past, the feelings, the love, we want to recreate some attraction, some fun, some chemistry as well. And these are the words that I would use in my philosophy because I understood that it's not a good idea to try to go back in the past. I know you tell me, Alex, this is not what I want, but this is what you will show or introduce to your ex. And of course, it's not giving you any results. So I'm glad you're here, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to Love Advice TV. We are here with Coach Adrian and the team, just dedicated to your personal situation. So if you come to me and you say, Alex, how can I reattract my ex? How can I be strong again? How can I make my ex wants to be with me? Step number one, we need to accept, and of course we need to understand the breakup. We cannot reattract your ex. We cannot save the relationship, the marriage, if we don't understand what are we fighting against. Because if we try to be right, you're losing this game for sure. The moment you want to tell your ex, no, you're wrong, I didn't do this, I didn't say that, it's over. It's really over. You're pushing your ex away. So step number one, we need to really understand the reasons of the breakups. I have talked about it in a previous video. It could be the routine. It could be the fact that you were needy and codependent. It could be the age crisis. It could be the infidelity. But you need to understand what happened exactly. What were the reasons why your ex lost feelings for you, lost attraction for you? And so when we know exactly what's going on, of course, we can apply some new tips and we can use this situation to feel better. So one simple exercise that you can do right now, because I want to make this video actionable. I want you to understand that I'm not here just to entertain you. I'm not here doing videos. I'm here to provide you content because I've coached so many people. And the first exercise that is very simple, and you can leave a comment right below. I'll be there to answer you. You need to grab a piece of paper. You will divide your paper in two columns. On the left, what was my mistakes? What did I do wrong? And on the right side, what are the solutions? So if you tell me that the mistake was the routine, I let the routine come in the relationship. And the solution is I need to be smiling. I need to be happy. This is not good. This is not good because it's not an action. If I let the routine comes into my life, action number one, I go to the gym every morning. Action number 1 or 2, I will do my dance lessons every Thursday because I want to do something new. What am I going to do? This is actionable. Okay, guys, that's the huge difference. And when I talk to my clients, most of the time, it's not actionable. They will tell me what they should do, but it's not something factual. It's not something they can do. And so that's why their ex is not giving them attention. So we need to make sure that we accept the breakup. We understand the reasons of the breakup. We need to make sure as well that if we want to create some reattraction, that we won't feel and be guilty from the past. This is something that I usually say to my clients. I'm not sure I've talked about it in a video, but let me explain to you. How can you make your ex want you back if you're still feeling guilty for the past? Meaning you need to talk about the past, you need to ask for forgiveness, you need to explain what happened, you want to talk again and again and again on the arguments or the disputes, etc. Your ex will explode because you will talk about the past bad anchors, meaning the moments that was negative that stay in the subconscious mind. Is it really what you want to do? Is it really what you expect to get some results? This is, of course, not a good idea. So step number one, we need to understand what's going wrong and how we can change the dynamic. Step number two, not feeling guilty. Like the past is the past. I love myself. I am proud of what I'm doing today. This is why I want to help you work on your energy. I am not someone too spiritual, to be honest. I'm very factual. But I learned with this job that there is two things that we cannot cheat. If you're trying to cheat with them, you lost all the time. We cannot cheat the energy, and we cannot cheat the subconscious mind. So if you want to reattract your ex but you're crying, how do you expect this to happen? If you want to reattract your ex but you lost too much weight or you gained too much weight, how do you expect this to happen? Because your ex will always consider that you are not the right person for them. This is why we need to work on those tools, which are the energy and your image. So step number one, it is very important to use the positive thinking. So we stand upright, okay? We make a fist and we will repeat positive sentence. I'm a good man. I'm a good husband. I'm an amazing woman. But when I do that, I close my eyes and I want to feel the energy from my head to toe. This is how you will start changing. Instead of being depressed, instead of telling yourself, I'm so stupid, why did I do that? Why did I say this? No, we want to make sure that your ex will feel a new energy. So you want to make a fist, close your eyes, and repeat to yourself some positive sentence, positive thinking. This is just very important. Step number two, if we want to be good in our energy, we need to put a smile on our face and we need to keep it all the time. Why? Because when I smile, I would create more hormones of happiness in my brain. So if I want to be depressed, I will be like this. If I want to be confident and positive, I will be like this all the time. And you can watch videos of your favorite comedian. You can listen to music that you like as well. The idea is to change your mindset, to not stay focused in the past, because the past is over. And so this new energy, where you can be confident, smiling, when you can love your new charisma, this will make your ex feel so attracted to you, men or women. You were married or you were in a short-term relationship. Whatever it was, I can guarantee you that this new energy is something that will really help you stay focused. But that's not enough. When we look at all the studies, how can we make someone be attracted to us, ex or not? Two things. Social value. So what are the new activities that you will implement in your life that will help you socialize? How will you be able to meet more men and women? It's not one or the other. It's men and women. How can you be this person that is very socializing, very ongoing, smiling, attracts everyone? Because if you know how to attract someone that you don't know, you will be able to attract your ex. Because your ex has already been attracted to you. So they know your physique, they know your qualities, they know that they loved you. Today, they have the wrong vision. They have so much anger, sadness, and negative emotions. But if we go a little bit deeper, they have love for you. So basically, you can really reconnect if you increase your social value. The other value, it is the professional value, or I should say the financial value. If someone can see that you're doing good and you have projects and you use this breakup to grow. That's when they feel, wow, that's a new person. I should not let that person go. And I'm feeling so attracted to that person that we will have a chance to get that person back again. So the social value and the professional value are so important. Now, every time I give all of this advice, I have some people coming back to me and say, hey, Alex, I'm sorry. I talk about my feelings. I told my ex I love him, I love her, I can't live without them, etc. Why? Because they are not controlling their emotions. Because they are focusing on feeling better. And feeling better means I need to talk about how much I love that person, even if it means losing that person. So I'm doing this video to tell you, if you want to reattract your ex, it's never based on feelings. Even if you loved each other, even if you had kids together, it will only be based on attraction and seduction. How can I get that person to look at me and feel, wow, he's cute, she's cute. Wow, I love the new body. Wow, I love the new look. So it's very important for you to be strong mentally. It's very important for you to define what are the actions that you want to do to go get the results. And I can guarantee you that you will be able to feel much better. Because instead of focusing on the relationship and the breakup recovery process, you will be able to be you, showing a new energy. And then that's when your ex will respect you more. He or she will give you more attention. And we know that we will go get the results. Now, if you tell me, Alex, I've tried this, but it didn't really work, it's because you are not pushing yourself. I'm sorry to tell you that, guys, but I've seen this situation so much. So in order for you to push yourself, I have made a very special masterclass. It was live, but you can access to the replay. It is the push and pull technique. It's very powerful because it goes against what you will usually do. And in the meantime, it gives you so much results and very fast. So I will include the link in the description box below, but I will also include the link if you want to work with me. If you want me to be your coach, I have a special package when during 3 months, I will follow you with emails and phone calls. The emails are almost unlimited. The phone calls are also there for you to receive my help. So during the next 3 months, we will be able to make your ex react, regret the decision, and feel so attracted to you. So all the links are in the description box below. But remember to hit the like button, subscribe to Love Advice TV. We are a team of professionals. We are really here for you because we want to show you that if you can be one step further than your ex, if you can anticipate, that is for sure that you will get the result. So guys, I want to see in your comments that you're really motivated. I want to see all of your questions in the comments so I can go and answer you guys. I see you very soon. Stay strong.